SohCahToa example 1. We have a right angle triangle. Now make sure that you identify the sides correctly. This is the hypotenuse because it's opposite the 90-degree angle. So I'm going to tick H and H. This is the opposite side because it's opposite the marked angle. So I'm going to tick O and I'm going to tick O here. That tells us that we're going to be using the sine ratio. Sine of x degrees equals O over H. And the angle is 30 degrees. The opposite side is T and the hypotenuse is 14. Now what we do here, we multiply both sides by 14 in order to get T on its own. So T equals 14 sine 30 degrees. And that gives us the answer 7. And that was example 1. Here is example 2. So let's have SohCahToa. Now, this is the opposite side. You'll notice there's nothing beside the opposite side. So what I could do is I could put a crossover O here and O here. This is the hypotenuse, this side opposite the 90-degree angle. So I'm going to tick the hypotenuse. And the last side, the 8, is the adjacent side. So it's quite clear that we're going to use the formula for cos. Cos of x degrees equals A over H. The adjacent side is 8. Hypotenuse is 15. Remember that when we're trying to calculate the angle, we always use the shift cos button. And that gives us the answer 57.8 degrees. This is example 3, the last example involving SohCahToa. Now, let's have an angle of 60 degrees and an opposite side of 5 and an adjacent of, let's just call that T. I've kind of given the game away here. The hypotenuse is this side. This is the hypotenuse, and you'll notice that we don't have any information beside it, so we're not interested in the hypotenuse. This side here is the opposite side, and the final side is the adjacent side. So it's clear then that it's the ratio tan of x equals O over A that we're going to be using. Tan then of 60 degrees equals 5 over T. Now this is that special case where we replace the T with tan 60 and the tan 60 with T. These two change position. So T equals 5 over the tan of 60 degrees. And we get the answer 2.89, and that's the end.